Hey guys, in this video we will learn how to create an admin controller inside Magento admin. So let's start. So I can open my IDs, right? So here is have like already created my custom module. So if you don't know about this, you can learn my previous videos, easily understand how to create the menu inside admin area or how to create a module. All kind of videos available in my previous series, so you can learn easily things. So I already created one module, the main directory learn and hello, right? So inside the hello we can create a controller, and inside the controller we have few things: the admin HTML and normal things. So front end I already defined. So admin HTML, and inside the HTML I create the employee directory, and the employee I define the index. So this is my admin controller, right? In this execute function I define this is echo things, right? And one more thing, from this we can create this controller, right? Admin controller, and then we need to be called from etc inside the admin HTML, right? And HTML we can define the route as well, because we require route as well inside admin. So we can also simple way the route here is, we define the hello route, right? And then we have defined the as menu, right? Inside menu we have defined the menu, main menu, and the resource collection I already covered one video for ACL. So if you don't know about like this ACL things, resource things, so you can learn my previous video, you can watch my previous video, so you can easily know. So here is define the action. So because my action is the hello, right? Because I define the route, this is route, hello, right? And hello, this is route, and employee my controller, this is my controller. So this is the to define your hierarchy of call, which you can call the controller here, right? So just save this thing, right? And we already defined the menus, right? So let's start from admin area, just refresh from this. So we already have this module, right? And click on that. So this is hello module, right? And you can also change the message from here. You can easily things, here is Magento tutorials first, admin controller, admin menu, right? You can just refresh. So it's just text, right? You can see this is, so this is way to create the admin controller. And also you can change some kind of things, the employee, you can whatever create kind of, this is like only demo, so you can also choose different things. And this is way to call your resource collection, right? Because this admin menu not required for every user, right? Not every user, maybe some customer care, some uh, category managers, all kind of things. So you just for not required for every group, every department, for identification, from here the user roles. So you can define from here access roles, and you can easily identify which group you want to show this controller, right? So this is way to authorize, and you can this is ACL, this one you can call from this inside your controller. So this is way to call the ACL in your admin controller. So this is things like how to create admin controller and admin menu. So if you have any query or doubt, you can comment me. Every day replying all kind of customers. So you can also write a comments for if you have any query. And this code I will push on Git and share the link on comment section, right? So you can easily download the code and learn about this code. Thank you so much.